found some old accessories, and these are the old Beats from maybe 2016, and this is not how they looked when I found them. This is the after product. So be sure to check out the following video today and see how I did a replacement for these headphones, making them look brand new. It's Drumstick Chan here, and today we're going to be replacing some ear pads. As you can see, these have seen better days. These are some Beats ready for retirement. What we'll need are headphones, the earbud replacement, and a butter knife. Possibly maybe an alcohol wipe pad. So let's get started. So I opted for black. This is the triangle opener, or you can opt for a butter knife. So I might not even need this alcohol wipe pad. So. And instructions. Alrighty. Step 1, removing the old pads, and this is where the instructions weren't too clear, but it says to just pop them right off. So this is where you'll want to learn from my mistakes. If your headphones look like this, then you have not done it correctly. I highly recommend the butter knife. It is so much more efficient than that triangle tool thingy. So what wasn't clear is you'll want to make sure it pops off. Like, see this piece, and you're going to hear that tear sound. That's when you know you've done it correctly. Now make sure to pull off all the adhesive. It's super sticky. You don't want any of it left. And use the alcohol wipe to take away any of that old residue. The replacement pads don't indicate left or right, but you'll see that there's a little groove on one. Line up the hole with the pegs, and then you're going to be ready to pull the red part of this thing off. Now you're going to stick it back on, and once it's ready, you're going to hold it down for, it says, 1 minute. So be careful with lining it up, and then just squish down.
A few moments later.
Repeat for the other side. Alright, as good as new. Oh yeah. If you enjoyed this project, please let me know if there's other things you would like to see. Learn from my mistakes, because somehow I will find a way to not do things correctly despite the instructions being given. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and be sure to check out our next projects with Drumstick Chan of the GomiPanda crew. Have a good one. Bye.